exemplar questions. Okay, exemplar questions you have to attend in your exam also, so keep in mind. So cuboid dimension is 5 centimeter, and they have already told us that uh, sliced into one. So the slides dimensions are 1 centimeter cube, means the dimension of the slices are your 1 centimeter cube volume. How many 1 cubic centimeter cubes will be exactly one of their faces are painted, means how many values of n so that one face is painted, one face is painted. How can I calculate? How can I calculate? See, how can I calculate? See, question number 1, how can I do it? I will say that suppose I have n cross n cube. hmm, n cross n cubes. So I will say that number of small cubes with exactly one painted face, one painted face. Okay, so what I will do, because there are six faces, right? So 6 into n minus 2 whole square. Okay, so if I say that n is equal to 5, I will put n is equal to 5 because they are asking one face is to be painted. So what I will do, I will say that putting n value here, n is equal to 5, what I will get? 6, 5 minus 2 whole square is equal to what? 6 into 3 whole square, that is 9. So it will be 54. Which will be your right option? C will be your right option. A cube of side 4 centimeter is cut into 1 centimeter cubes. Okay, initially the cube was 4 centimeter sided, but they are cut it into 1 centimeter cubes. What is the ratio of the surface area of the original to the cutted one? Okay, so see, how can I calculate? First I have to calculate the original one surface area, then the next one surface area, then what I will do, I will find out the ratio beta. How can I calculate the ratio? See, what I will do, this is very good question. Question number 2. First I will say the original cube surface area. Original cube surface area. And it will be how much? 6 into 4 square. So it will become how much? 96. 6 into 16. Now number of cubes. Number of cubes will be how much? Number of cubes. It will be your 4 cube is equal to 64. Why 64? Because the new one is 1 centimeter cube, so it will be 1 cube. So 4 cube upon 1 cube is equal to 4 upon 1. 4 cube upon 1, and it is 64. Okay. Now each small cube surface area. Each small cube surface area. It will be how much? 6 into 1 square, that is 6. Okay. So total will be how much? Total will be 64 into 6, that is 384. So the ratio will be what? Ratio will be original one, 96 upon 384, or you can say that 1 is to 4. Okay. So your right option will be 1 is to 4. Understood? Now see, third question what they are asking. A circle of maximum possible size is cut from the square sheet. Okay, I will say let the original square side be S. Since they are asking about the largest circle is cutted down, so I will say that circle diameter will be your S. So largest inscribed square in a circle has side. Largest inscribed square, okay, in a circle has side is equal to your diameter by root 2. Diameter by root 2, that is S by root 2. Okay. Now final square area will be what? Final square area will be your S by root 2 whole square, that is S square by 2. So the final area will be half of the original. So the final area will be half of the original one. Okay, you understood? So I will say draw the diagram like this way. This is your initial, then the inscribed circle is this. Okay, now the area of the square, largest square inscribed in it will be like this way. Okay, so you have to find out the area of this is inside one square. So how you understood how we got this value now? Because I have joined this one, so when circle, this will be the diameter, and I already told the diameter is S. So this will suppose a square plus a square is equal to S square. So a will be S by root 2. Okay, or a will be the inside 1 square. So that's why it is your this formula. Okay, I already told you that from where I get this part. Okay, draw this diagram beta ji also. So question number 12, we know the curved surface area of your curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi rh. Now it's tripled. Okay, and we have to and curve surface triple, but the after tripling the radius also there is no change in the curved surface area, so we have to find out the height. Okay, now how can I see that? See, uh, if the curved surface area, and this one will be the original curved surface area, now newer one, in the new case r is 3r, r dash will be 3r, original 3 times. Okay, so suppose that my new height is h dash. So my new surface area will be 2 pi r dash h dash, and it have to be equal to the older one, that is 2 pi r h. Okay, now I will put the values, that is 2 pi r dash becomes 3r and h dash remains same, whereas older one is 2 pi r h. Okay, so 2 pi cancel, r cancel, we have 3 h dash is equal to h. So I can say that my newer h will be 1/3 of the older one. Newer h will be 1/3 of the older one. So it will be D option. Okay, what they are saying in question number 13, how many small cubes with edge of 20 centimeter can be just accommodate in a cubical box of 2 meter? Means I have a cubical box of 2 meter, but I have small cubics. Okay, that dimension is 20 centimeter. So they are asking about the how many can be adjusted. Now see, I can write question number 13. First I will convert, so the ratio becomes in the same same units, right? So 2 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 200 centimeter, right? So if I say the side of the box is your 200 centimeter, and side of small cube is equal to 20 centimeter, right? So number of cubes per edge, okay, it will be how much? 200 divided by 20, so it becomes 10. Okay, so total number of cubes will be how much? Total number of cubes. Okay, it will be the volume. So 10 cube is equal to your 1000. Okay, so my option will be C. Question number 17. What is the area of the rhombus ABCD? ABCD is your rhombus. If AC is your 6 centimeter and BE is your 4 centimeter. Now, if ABCD is the rhombus, they are saying AC. That means they are saying AC is equal to the diagonal. And diagonal length is your how much? 6 centimeter. And BE is your 4 centimeter. BE. Now see, they have drawn perpendicular. So the perpendicular distance from the here to here is your BE, and BE length is your how much? How much? It is 4 centimeter. Now I know the properties of rhombus, that rhombus diagonals first bisect each other and perpendicular bisect. Okay. So see, I know this length and I know this one also. If I extend this na, it will join to D. Okay, it will join to D. So when they are saying that this is 6, that means this one 3 and this one 3 and this one is already 4 given. So for I can easily calculate this distance also, and this distance is equal to your how much? 4. This distance will also 4. So what is the area of the rhombus? Area of rhombus? Nothing but 1 upon 2 d1 into d2. I know the area of the rhombus is nothing but half d1 into d2. d1 and d2 are the two diagonals. So it will be how much? Half 4 into 4 plus 4, it will be 8. So d1 diagonal is your 6 centimeter and d2 diagonal will be 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. So it will be 6 into 8. 6 into 8. So it is 3 times, or I can say 24 centimeter square. Okay. Question number 19. The perimeter of the trapezium is 52 and each non-parallel side is equal to 10 centimeter. And and its height is 8 centimeter. Find the area. Now see, in question number 19, I know the area of trapezium. First I know the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to what? 1 upon 2. Sum of the two bases. Sum of the two parallel sides into your height. Okay, height is given, but this factor is not given. Instead of this, I have given the perimeter, and perimeter is equal to 52 centimeter plus your non-parallel sides, and non-parallel sides is 10. Both are equal, so it will be 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Because I know the perimeter is b1 plus b2 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, This is only the all sum of the all the four sides the perimeter is equal to. So I can say that here it is 52, here it is b1 plus b2 plus 20, right? So I can get by this as b1 plus b2 is equal to 52 minus 20. So how much the value? 32. 32. See, I can use this 32 directly over here. So my area will be what? Area will be 1 by 2 into 32 into the height. Height is how much? Height is 8. So it become how much? 4 times. So 32 into 4. How much it will be? 8 and 12. So 128 centimeter square. You understood?